Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Suno AI error code 400. The error reads, 400 bad request. As per our research, this error occurs when users try to access Suno AI's website and are met with a bad request message on all pages. This error generally means that the server couldn't understand the request. This is mainly a server-side issue which mainly comes when the system is down. Since multiple users have reported facing this issue at the same time, it is likely a problem on Suno AI's end. If that's the case, you may need to wait until the developers fix it. So just wait for a few hours and try again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.